Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be tearing into my Black Friday haul from the Melt website. That's right, I placed an order at the Melt Cosmetics website. They were having a huge sale. I picked up a bunch of goodies. I've got my scissors and I'm ready to open the box. So let's get into it. So I ordered a bunch of gel pot liners. Here's the green one. Here's the blue one. Here's the pretty like burnt yellow orange one. Here's the brown one. Here's the palette that I ordered. I picked up the Dark Matter palette. It was on sale for $25. I was like, 25 bucks? Yes, please. Originally, I didn't really want to pick it up because it seemed a little bit boring and because of the round pans. All right, so that's what I picked up. There's something else in here, but oh, that's right, I forgot. This is what prompted the order. I went to the website because one of my Instagram friends posted about this case. It's a lipstick case. I don't have that many lipsticks, but I thought this might make a nice travel case for nail polish. Oh, I'm wrong. It's definitely just for lipsticks because it's really small. But yeah, so this thing is removable, I heard. Yeah, you can take it out. And then you've just got like a really nice little hard makeup case. So I'm really excited about this. I got this for $10 and I got each of the gel pots for $10. So I'm really excited about this haul. Today I'm just gonna create a look with the Dark Matter palette and check it out. Let me get my eyes primed and we'll get started. Really excited about this cute palette. I don't really like that they veered off their like regular format for palettes. I like all my palettes to match from a brand. Like, I just like that. I like them to all stack up nicely. But I'm gonna start off with an E25 from Sigma. And I'm gonna take this shade here. Ooh, super pigmented, just like, you know, just like I'm used to from Melt. And that's a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be. Of course, keep in mind, my base is wet still, and I don't set it for that reason. I like my pigment to really pop. That's a pretty payoff. I'm gonna just blend this out at the top now. I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade here and blend out the top edge. I'd say that's pretty blended out, a lot more blended than I normally do. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this brown shade here. on this E27 from Rose and Ben. Ooh, that's nice and dark. And I'm just lining the outer edge of my eye. That's pretty. All right. Now I'd like to take a little bit of black on that same brush, and I just want to smoke out a little bit more of the very, very outer part. I really, really like the way that, I like the way that looks a lot. Okay, so next, I want to play with a little bit of the red, especially since I have red in the t-shirt that I'm wearing today, and I am dressed for the day, so this is what I'm going to wear. I'm going to take this pointy blender from Sigma. There's the number there. I'm going to take some of that red shade. I really like the way the eye looks right now, but I want to play with the red too. So like this right here literally could be a look. I do want to play with this red though, so I'm going to add just a little bit of this red into the crease just a little bit. And then we'll like blend that out. So that's not really testing the red, but it is just like adding a little bit of that red shade to the mix, which is kind of fun. Oops, I got a little too low here. So, okay, now that I got low, I'm just gonna go ahead and just, you know, close it out. Okay. I do like that shade. It's like a little bit of like a burnt red brick. Really pretty. And so since I've got that red shade now on my outer edge, what I'm gonna do is the red shimmer. I wanna see how that looks. Just gonna take that first brush and kind of blend it into my crease with that brown that was there. Okay. So that literally just took the look in a whole different direction. I'm gonna take this red on my finger. Ooh. And I'm putting that on the back half, like most of my lid, but all the way to the back. Ooh, that's a really pretty shade. Oh my gosh. So here it is, really pretty. Really like that shade. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure why this palette didn't get the love that like it deserved, because it's really pretty. It's probably the change of the shape of the pants. Okay, so for the inner part of the eyes where I've got it like really light, I've purposely left it like that. I'm gonna take an E54 from Sigma, and I'm gonna go into this light kind of brown shade here. And I'm gonna put that on the inner lid. Oh, that's pretty. That is a lot more fiery than I thought it was gonna be. That's pretty. Okay. That's nice. Okay. I just try to mix those a little bit better by adding a little bit more across that line. Okay. For the last touch, I want to do this white one, like this cream one on the inner corner. I don't know. It doesn't look like, it looks like it's a satin. It doesn't look like it's very punchy, but I just want to, it is the lightest shade. So I just want to try to provide a little brightness. Like it is lighter, I can see it, but it's just not quite as impactful as I was hoping. I'm gonna try a different brush. It might just be this brush. This is an Urban Decay brush that I had found at Nordstrom Rack a super long time ago. I like it for some detail placement, but sometimes it doesn't give enough impact. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush here, this little bitty one from BK Beauty. I like this for my inner corner a lot. It's just nice and dense. So that shade just has a little bit of like a peach undertone, so it's not completely white, but it did give a little bit of a hint there. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same brush and just right there. I like the way that looks. I do want to add a little bit something on the lower lash line. I'm going to use that red right here. Just for a little bit of like iridescence to catch that dark light right there. I like that. Okay, so this did get really dark and really dramatic, but I like it. I cannot lie. Okay, so I feel like I would like to see, let me try, I'm gonna try this black satin and see if I can smoke my outer edge without overpowering the look with this black satin, just right here on the outer edge. Yeah, see the difference that created? I do feel like it is smokier with just a hint of that black satin. Like I'm touching really lightly into the color so that I don't leave like a dark mark, but it is mixing really nicely and smoking. Ooh, yeah, look at how that's smoked out. And it turned that like into a deep grungy cranberry red instead of just like that deep red. Really, really like the way that looks. Oh my God, I love this palette. I got this for 25 bucks. I'm so happy. Like this does not scream $25 palette to me. I'm really happy that I picked it up. Thank you so much, Mel, for the Black Friday sale. I did want to buy something from them, but I wasn't going to pick up the Bailey Sarian palette. So needed something else. All right. I don't have a black one. The reason I didn't get the black one is because that one wasn't on sale for $10. Yeah, that one wasn't on sale for $10, and I knew it was because they just pushed it over into the Bailey Sarian collection, and I think that's why so many people got dried out ones. So these better, like all four of these better not be dried out when I open them up, but today's not the day for me to play with those. I'm going to use my black from the Natasha Denona that I have. I'm going to use this teeny tiny BK Beauty brush with my Natasha Denona Work Set Plus. This is my second one to purchase. My first one got kind of dry after like a year and a half or so. They're only supposed to last 12 months, but I hear that the melt ones last a super long time, so that's hopeful. That gives me hope. All right, let me use my enlarged mirror. I need my palette to flatten my liner. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some mascara, but first I wanna curl my lashes. Lower lash now. The final frontier. This is where it could all go awry. All right. Okay, so final choice is between a white eyeliner or a black. And I really feel like the white would open up the eye a lot, and the black would really make it dark and smoky. I'm gonna opt for the white since this is a daytime look, but if I was going out at night, I might go for the black. Okay. Here's the finished look with the Dark Matter palette for my first time to play with it. I really, really like the way that the neutral look turned out before I added all the red and smokiness, but I also really love the change that the red added and like the way that the look ended up. So I feel really vampy, and I feel really cool in this look. So I like it a lot. I think it looks great with my shirt. As a matter of fact, this is from my most recent concert, Queens of the Stone Age. Yeah, I had wanted to see them forever. But anyway, here's the finished look. I really, really like it. Let's take a good look at the eyes. All right, let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you picked up this palette or if you skipped this palette, and if so, what made you skip it? I'm always curious to hear your thoughts and stuff on different palettes. Anyway, yeah, so let me know if you picked up this palette or if you skipped it, and if so, how come? What drew you to it or what drew you away from it? I was gonna skip it, like I said, but that sale really got me, and I didn't wanna just pick up 4 gel liners and a makeup pouch, although I'm really glad I got those things. So I was so glad that they had this palette on clearance. I had been waiting and waiting for it to go on sale. $25 was a low enough sale for me to go ahead and pull the trigger. So I'm so glad that that happened. Really grateful that I was able to pick that up on a good discount. Yeah. Anyways, I really enjoyed this palette. I see myself using it in the future and enjoying all the looks. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to click the like button. It really does help my channel out so much. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel to see additional content from me in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.